Go pick up her glasses, please. Get your ball, Maxie. You get your ball. Get your ball.
I think my arms are numb.
Oh well.
I hardly doubt it.
Oh, no, she's going for hair.
No.
No.
She doesn't go for ponies anymore. Get your ball. Get your ball. You want to get it? Get your ball.
Bring it here, man. Bring it here.
Get your ball.
Bring it here.
She has to get her first.
Get the ball. I don't want her. Just bring it here.
You've been slimed.
Yeah.
Get her, Maxie.
Get her like you do me. Once in a while I'll be laying in bed and all that. BAM! She don't jump up on the bed completely anymore, does she?
No, because she's blocked from going in there.
No, when we're in bed. She's done that a couple of times, honey. Now, yeah.
Get your ball. Where's your ball? Get it. You get it.